Alright guys, so I was out after the last run, thought everything was good. I was just trying to shim some stuff here. Then I noticed the shock was bent, the shock shaft. So I was already at the hobby shop earlier today because I got Typhon 6S. There's my older one. Alright, so, yep, gotta go back to the hobby store and get some more. I also got some new tires coming tomorrow, which will probably be in this video. But yeah, sadly the shock shaft is bent. I think the rest are good. But let me know if you guys have some that you recommend for the 3S. Because I'm not getting the Pro line. Even though I think they're on sale for like $15 off. But I'm still not wasting that money. Because these have been pretty good. You know, people say they leak. I don't think any of mine have. I think this one a little bit because it obviously is bent. But yeah, let me know what you guys recommend. There's some eBay ones for like 30 bucks. Yeah, just put some links down, man, what you guys have used, recommend. Because I think you have to get some like tubing. Because this part is like bigger on those. But yeah, let me know. Alright guys, we got the new tires in. So I did vent them with this. I found it at Menards. With the copper thing, it came with 2. So I used the drill, put it in. I think it's copper. It should be. I don't know. And then I just kind of sharpened it with this. Sharpened the inside, and then I vented the outside. I think I did pretty good, actually. First time. No rips. Just got to cover up these. So when you're doing this, don't be an idiot like me. And my other Duratrax ones, I covered one of the holes in here. I never vented it. But I forgot there's 2. So they got messed up. But yeah, these are cheap. I think I paid $29 with tax. And they came with the wheel wrench. It showed it in the picture, but I was not expecting one. So that is cool. Definitely use it, hopefully. But yeah, so I gotta clean these with alcohol and then plug these up. And these are actually bigger than the stock. And they're bigger than the Typhon 6S. So that is good. I think they should last. The only thing, maybe the rim feels a little cheap, but I don't really bash, so I think it should be good. You know, 29 bucks with tax, man. Amazon. Good deal. Good treads, too. You know, not too soft. Yeah, I might go run it now, but it's outside, it's dark, or it's pretty dark, so I might do some runs tomorrow. We'll see. Alright guys, we got something rigged up here. I don't know if I'll keep that in the profile picture, but we'll see. Let's have fun. Alright. Gotta be careful, it is slippery. I'll probably just do this for a little bit. So I got a lot of flashlights, so I can put a lot on here, but this is just what I had for right now. feel like I'm going to lose one somewhere. It is slippery. So they're all lumen top lights too, so. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Alright, I gotta get it. It is not good. We're still on. Because the one lumen top's a zoom light, and I hate zoom lights. Yeah, this road was so bad. Oh, they keep parking here, man. Ruining my fun. See, there's like huge divots. Like Friday was really bad. Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to look, but it's alright. I'll probably just record a little longer. And hopefully I can get out to run these at like the Target parking lot or something tomorrow. Maybe here tomorrow in the daylight. So I can really test it. But it is nose heavy, so. So yeah, these should do pretty good for the 3S. Jumping, I don't know. We'll have to, wait and see. I don't really jump anyway, so if they just last normal stuff, it should be alright. For like $30 for 4. It's lining me. I know my one buddy's gonna say put the brightest light on here. This one won't work. So I have the MS-18, the world's brightest light. Obviously, some of you guys know. Alright guys, peace.